Hey guys, Min here. Welcome back to Your House Fitness. Today we're going to go over chest press. Chest press is kind of a general term we use to describe a horizontal press. There are machine chest press, cable chest press. Today we're going to talk about the two most common ones, a barbell chest press or a bench press, and a dumbbell chest press or a dumbbell bench press. Alright, these are two general names you'll see swapped around, but typically mean the same thing. We're going to start first with dumbbells. Dumbbell chest press is very commonly done, but commonly done wrong as well. A lot of times people will do the setup wrong and waste a lot of time getting it up. I'm going to teach you guys how I get the dumbbells that are quick and fast, very efficiently and safely. And I'm going to teach you how to set up your shoulders so you can maximize your pec activation for this exercise. So I'm going to grab dumbbells. I feel pretty confident in doing. You may have to practice your setup a few times before you get it right. I know it takes a while for me to get it down. When you have the dumbbell, set it up 2 inches above your knee. I want to be on my sit bone and I want to be nice and tall in the torso. What I'm going to do is hinge at my hips and bring myself closer to the bells. From here, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can kick it up one at a time. Okay, or you can keep your chin tucked in and kick with both legs, but eventually you're going to fall back onto the bench. Make sure your chin stays in so you don't smack your head, and we're going to set our feet down and keep our hands up just for now. When I'm doing this, I want to make sure my shoulders are not rounded and I don't want to flatten out torso. So what I want to do is get my shoulder blades depressed, and I want to keep my chest extended outwards. I want to make sure I have feet pressure and a small arch in my back, okay? From here, take your dumbbells over your shoulders. A lot of times people have their dumbbells out in front of their chest just because they want to see the dumbbells. This will make it very hard to do and you'll waste a lot of energy. Once it's over your shoulders, take a very deep breath in, lock the whole body, and I'm going to open up my arms and pull it down almost like I'm doing a row. I'm going to pause when it's at my chest, and I'm going to return it back up towards my shoulders by hugging and punching, okay? Just like this, row it down almost. Arms are going to open up. Push your feet, drive to get it back up. Deep breath in, lock the whole body, bring it back down, drive to get it up. You can use your feet to get a little leg drive as well. This will help you with the lift and stabilizing your body. When you're done, we clasp the weight together, bring it down towards your chest, knees in, and I can already feel the dumbbells touching my thighs, so I know when I come over, I will have it in the right spot. Shins in, push your weight forward, or back up nice and safe. Be careful that you don't drop it out to the side. I've seen people hurt their shoulders, and very seriously as well, where they need a surgery or have to take extensive time off the gym. So invest into practicing your steps so you can be nice and safe. Now we're going to go over the barbell bench press. Typically speaking, we'll usually see the barbell in a rack or in some pins itself. We're filming in the studio today, so I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way, and we're going to get it up like we were to do a floor press. If you guys don't know how to do a floor press, we got a video down below. Okay, but the setup is very similar to what we just did. I'm going to sit it onto my hips, and I'm already going to grab wide onto the bar. The width of your grip will determine how much of your chest or your arms or shoulders may be used. We have a muscle breakdown for the pec major down below and how your grip width will change these things. So you can customize with it, but typically speaking, people do 1.5 shoulder width grip. Sometimes people have much longer arms, so things will change around. I'm gonna get my grip right here, and I'm gonna keep it in my hip. Deep breath in, and I'm gonna rock back slowly into a bridge. I wanna make sure I can bridge up and lift the barbell up onto my shoulders. Now, same things apply once we're here. I need to make sure I got good foot connection. I want to make sure I got my scapulas depressed and my chest extended out. Once I'm here, it's very simple. We take a very deep breath in, lock the body, row it down to our chest, and we're going to push our feet slightly, and we're going to punch and hug. Row it down. Feel your feet, drive it up. It's really important when it touches your chest, you don't cave into it. You'll lose that fantastic setup you created. And a lot of times, I notice when people cave or lose their arch in their back, that's usually when they fail their bench press. So we want to stay nice and tight, nice and stable. Pull it down, drive up. When you're done, you can bring it down here, hips in, rock forward. Have it in your hip crease, that way you don't hurt your thighs or you don't crush your stomach. When you're ready, you stand right back up and walk it back down. Thank you guys so much for checking out the chest press. We'll see you next time.